Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. So I'm going to do a reading. I want to say that it's going to be a quick reading, but I don't know. I done mixed up the cards. Hold on, y'all. I shuffled the wrong way. Alright. So I was drawn to use my cards today and pull some of the energy. I was also drawn. The first set of cards I was actually drawn to was the Native American Oracle deck. And then once I picked those up, these other cards wanted me to pick them up as well. So this should be an interesting reading. And someone or something is already trying to stop it. Somebody doesn't want something to come out. They want it to fall. Want it to fall. I hope you can hear me good well. Hope that you can hear me. Okay. The card I'm looking at is Cleanse Your Energy. That's what's on top. Did I do it again? No, one of them just wasn't turned over. Alright. Go ahead and cut them. I see Taurus. I see he's getting money. I did do it again. I don't know what's going on with me right now. How did I do that again? Yeah, somebody's really not wanting me to get this out. So we had to get this out. Whatever this message is. I don't know what this message is. Funny. Henny. Okay, it wasn't that many. I don't know what's going on. Let me pay attention. I see Capricorn. I see Leo. Over again. Let's see what comes out. Trauma bond. Maybe that's why I didn't want to come out. It was a fling came out in the reverse. So maybe you thought it was a fling and the other person didn't. Or vice versa. Maybe that person caught feelings and you said it was a fling and they disagree. I want you back. Yep. You had relations with somebody and you considered it to be a fling. And this person did not. This person caught feelings. Could be a Cancer. You thought this person was playing you for a fool. Or maybe the person was initially trying to play you for a fool. Or you played that person for a fool. Right? And it could have been a Libra. Alright. Oh. These cards fell out during the full moon. You are on the right path. Emotionally unavailable. Keep going, it will make you stronger. Sex magic. And be genuine. I'm not going to take them. Some of them came out in the reverse, but those all did fall out. I'm going to read the Thoth cards today. Ooh, they kind of cold. They missed me. Hey, y'all. I apologize. Haven't read y'all in a while. You have to talk to your cards. Be good to them, they'll be good to you. Alright, let's see what comes out. Shuffle one more time. Alright. I'm just going to cut them in half. Let's see, what does the collective energy need to know? Whoever's watching this reading today, what do they need to know, Spirit? Please and thank you. What does the collective need to know? Ooh, too many. Oh. What? This is the Four of Pentacles in the reverse. So this usually is a card that represents power. So somebody doesn't have their power in this particular situation. So yeah, like I said, you thought it was a fling, and this person wants you back. They didn't consider it to be a fling because they caught feelings. This could be a Cancer and you could be a Libra. This person can have Cancer in their chart. You can have Cancer in your chart. You can have Libra in your chart. Or they can have Libra in their chart. Again, you thought this person was playing you for a fool. But because they weren't able to get you where they wanted you to be, they no longer have power or control in this situation where they thought they would. Because typically, you know, the Four of Pentacles is the guy holding all the coins. This person is not holding the coins because you took your power back. Don't ask me why am I doing a reading with a bonnet on. Although I should probably have my head covered. I forgot I had it on. Ooh. Four swords. So we got another 4 out here. We have another 4 out on the board. This was not a solid foundation. This person feels probably mentally drained at this time and probably needs to get some rest and heal. I feel like they have some childhood trauma that they need to heal from, and that's maybe why they were initially trying to play you for a fool. And again, it didn't work on you, so now they feel powerless. Alright. We have the 6 of Discs, which is the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. They're not gaining what they wanted from the situation. Another 6 out here. This is the 6 of Swords in the upright. I'm sorry, no. This is the 6 of Swords. This is the 9 of Swords in the reverse. Maybe they were trying to be cruel, or maybe they feel like you were being cruel or mean to them. Or maybe they feel like you cutting them off was cruel. And they just can't handle it because maybe this is what their trauma bond was from childhood. Has nothing to do with you, I think. Then you have the Ten of Swords out here. Yeah, they feel burdened. But again, this person needs to heal. The Princess of Swords, which is also the Queen of Swords. Wait, no. It's the Knight of Swords. It's the Knight of Swords. I think this person is green with envy, because if you see, that is a green warrior. Although it's the princess, I think this person envies you because they didn't expect you to react the way that you did. At the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So there's no wealth coming from this situation. Right? Let's get some life purpose cards out here. Because I don't like the way this energy is going. Again, this person just needs to heal. They don't like the fact that you walked away. And they feel like you've defeated them. Because they were trying to play you for a fool. And they didn't realize how strong you were. Let's see, what life purpose cards do we need to see today? Builder. Yeah, you are ready to build, and this person is not ready to build. Your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. So this person feels like you're accomplishing things without them. Again, you're the Princess of Swords. And they're green with envy because they weren't able to conquer you the way they normally would with other people, male or female. Okay, what else does the collective need to trust? This person didn't trust that it would work out. They didn't. Trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. So you're trusting. You're in a state of trust. And things are going the way that you need them to go. All right, Heart's Desire. The angels are supporting, guiding, and protecting you as your dreams become a reality. And infinite abundance. Infinite abundance. You're fully supported as you devote yourself to your divine life purpose. I thought I was going to have enough light from the sun, but it's about to go down, so I'm just going to... I apologize, it's getting dark and I'm not going to move. I'm just going to finish. Cancer fell on the floor. You out here knocking people out. Alright, let's see what needs to come. And I did cleanse the cards with sage before I started. Okay. Let's go ahead and read those two. It's number 20 and number 33. Number 20. Tarawa and the Cosmic Buffalo. This card is about fulfillment. Tarawa is the god of the heavens, the creator of the world, and the guardian of the cosmic buffalo. Each of buffalo's hooves is part of the cadence of the 4 eras. Moving until it is completely consumed. When the last hoof is consumed, the world will enter a phase of destruction, from which will rise again only with buffaloes rebirth. This is a life cycle and a reminder that there is a proper time for everything. Periods of lack are followed by times of abundance. Absolutely. Message: if things are not how you like, remember that the natural cycle of life will bring about change. Everything is born, grows, and dies, thus attaining fulfillment. Keywords: fulfillment, completion, cycles, rebirth, the power of time, endings and beginnings, right? Time, the ending or conclusion of a situation or a season. And we are coming up to the end of spring, and summer is about to be here. So this reading is very accurate. Again, you ended something with somebody, they don't like it, but this person just needs to heal, right? So that they can have their wish fulfillment, whether it be with you or somebody else, because I don't know if you're going to take this person back. All right, number 33 is the shaman. The shaman walks between worlds, moving with ease between the visible and invisible worlds, and thus sees connections via his journeys in spirit. He has experienced many things, suffered greatly, and learned much. His wisdom and dedication allow him to communicate with spirit on the behalf of others and brings healing to a people or an individual. He leads the living along a path of personal control that leads to true freedom and the accompanies the dead to their next path. Freedom from the physical world. Message: the freedom comes through self-knowledge and discipline and understanding of the world and compassion or service for others. So yeah, you had enough discipline to walk away. The keywords: liberty, freedom, ability, guidance, devotion, discipline, sacrifice, and suffering for the greater good. And this was a sacrifice for your greater good and the good of those who you are here to help and be of service to. Time dependent on the seeker's will. And everything is going to turn around in your favor as you have willed it to. All right, y'all. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.